Karna, his charismatic presence and portrayal of Valor in Indian mythology. Delve into Karna's origins as the son of Kunti, who invoked Surya, the sun god, leading to his birth. Describe the celestial circumstances surrounding his birth and the blessings bestowed upon him. Explore Karna's early years, raised by his foster parents Adhirtha and Radha, who found him floating in a basket on the river. Describe the bond he shares with his adoptive family despite knowing his royal lineage. Narrate Karna's struggles and challenges growing up as a charioteer's son in a society that valued caste and lineage. Highlight his determination and resilience in overcoming societal prejudices. As Karna matures, depict his yearning to discover his true identity and fulfill his destiny, despite the obstacles he faces due to his low birth. Introduce Duryodhan and showcase the deep bond of friendship that forms between him and Karna, transcending social barriers. Highlight Karna's loyalty and unwavering support for his friend. Describe the pivotal moment when Indra approaches Karna disguised as a Brahman and requests his armor and earrings as a test of his generosity. Show how Vijay's portrayal captures Karna's selflessness and noble spirit. Illustrate Karna's training under Parshuram, where he learns the art of warfare, archery, and combat. Showcase Vijay's portrayal of Karna's exceptional skills and mastery of celestial weapons. Recount Karna's attempt to win Draupadi's hand at her Swayamvara, where his low birth leads to his disqualification despite his prowess. Show Vijay's emotional depth as Karna grapples with rejection. Detail Karna's role in the Kurukshetra war, fighting valiantly on the side of the Kauravas against the Pandavas. Highlight Vijay's portrayal of Karna's bravery and honor on the battlefield. Describe the moment when Karna learns about his true lineage as a Pandav and his conflicting loyalties between Duryodhan and his birth family. Showcase Vijay's portrayal of Karna's inner turmoil and emotional depth. Narrate the epic duel between Karna and Arjuna, showcasing Vijay's intensity and passion in portraying Karna's final moments on the battlefield. Explore Karna's ultimate sacrifice and tragic fate, including his encounter with Lord Krishna and the use of the Vasvi Shakti. Show Vijay's portrayal of Karna's nobility and acceptance of his destiny. Chapter 14, Legacy and Remembrance. Reflect on Karna's enduring legacy as a symbol of valor, generosity, and the complexities of fate and dharma. Showcase how Vijay's portrayal immortalized Karna as a beloved and revered character in Indian mythology. Conclude by highlighting Vijay's impactful portrayal of Karna, celebrating his depiction of a character who embodies courage, honor, and the indomitable spirit of a true hero.